Yzerman and Lidstrom get assists on Shanahan's goal, his 24th of the season for Brendan Shanahan. That's his 999th NHL point. Another milestone coming.
Another milestone, yeah.
Here's Pavel Datsyuk, he shoots, he scores! The Detroit Red Wings are right back in the game. Shanahan, now Pavel Datsyuk, what a play!
He just absolutely undresses Ed Jovanovski. Jovanovski got caught flat-footed and went fishing for the puck. A turnover in the defensive zone. Datsyuk has his head up, goes coast to coast. Once he reaches the red line, now he puts on the afterburners to the outside and then along the ice and in. Well, what effect does that have on the Red Wings? I'm telling you, everyone on that Detroit bench was up and yelling, screaming for their young star.
Greg, I don't know how many times it's happened this season, but innumerable times the Detroit Red Wings score and come right back and catch a team flat-footed and score within a minute or 2 minutes. They've done it to just about every team they've played against. They've done it to Vancouver before, and they just did it to them again. They have this uncanny ability, once they see that they have a hole, they can move in and go for the kill.